In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again. Click on vibration and haptics and use this switcher to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to disable or enable haptic feedback for them. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!